The vocabulary word we are exploring now is repair. Repair. Have you ever seen something broken and wished it could be fixed to work like new again? That's exactly where the word repair comes in. It refers to restoring something damaged back to its proper condition. From mending a torn shirt to fixing a car, repair is a word we use often in everyday life. Let's explore its meaning, examples, and a short story to understand it better. Meaning of repair. Repair means to fix or restore something that is broken, damaged, or not working properly. Examples: the mechanic repaired the car's engine. She repaired her friendship by apologizing. The tailor repaired the hole in his jacket. Short story. When David's bicycle chain broke on his way to school, he felt frustrated. He thought he would have to walk the long distance every day. But his father showed him how to repair the chain with a few simple tools. David carefully followed the steps, and to his delight, the bike was working again. Riding to school the next morning, he felt proud of himself. Learning to repair the bicycle not only saved him time but also gave him the confidence to solve small problems on his own.